Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today is the start of week 3 of me partnering with Musclefood. This is my 3rd week doing the Live Clean weight loss plan. It is their newest kind of weight loss plan where there is like a calorie deficit one. Rather than the do the unthinkable, this is just the box. This isn't what I'm doing. Do the unthinkable is the meals and then the workout plan as well, whereas this one is it's more focused on the food, so it is making you have a calorie deficit. I'll leave all the details down below for you guys. I do have a discount code which I'll put on the screen and I'll link down below as well, so you can get some money off your first week. The plan that I've gone for is the lowest calorie one, just because I have quite a lot of weight to lose, and you get 3 meals per day, so you get breakfast, lunch and dinner, and then you get 2 snacks as well. On the other plans, up to I think 1800 calories, I think is the highest, you get 3 meals and 3 snacks. So yeah, I have done 2 other videos regarding this so far, so I just wanted to give you a little bit of a intro as to what it is if this is your first time watching. But yeah, I will unbox all of this, get it all on the side for you guys, and then I will talk you through what I've got, just because some of the stuff is the same as what I normally have. I'll link all the other videos as well, so you can see everything as it comes out. Otherwise these videos just end up being really long. I am going to do a week of filming. I will only film the things that I have not had before, or if I feel like there's something I need to tell you. Like last week, I had a couple of things that I didn't like, so I told you about those as well. Because although I am partnering with Musclefood on this, which means they are sending it to me for free, all opinions are honest and my own, because there is no point in me saying, oh my god, this food is amazing, go and buy it, and you go and buy it and you're like, oh, this tastes disgusting, she's lied to me. There is no point in that, because I don't want to lie to you guys. I'd rather be honest. I have used Musclefood, I've partnered with them in the past, and I've purchased things from them in the past. The freezer pots are so handy and so yummy. They literally cook in like 5 minutes or something. They go in the freezer, they cook from frozen, and I love them. So there's a few of them in here, I think, and then I've got lots of meal kits. I went for all new things this week, just to sort of show you all the different options, but they do pizzas and stuff, which I'll show you. So I'm going to unbox this, get it all laid out, and then I'll show you what we've got. Okay, I've got everything laid out behind me on the side. I did just want to quickly say, if you aren't going to be at your house because you'll get an email to say when it's going to come, and you aren't going to be in for whatever reason, the stuff that is cupboard safe is just in the top of the box, but then inside that there is a big bag that is full of ice packs. So the stuff that needs to be in the freezer or the fridge is going to be absolutely fine. I will put on the screen exactly how many hours it's okay for, but like this came like 5 hours ago and it's just been sat on my dining room table because I've not had a chance to unbox it until the kids have gone to bed. These are reusable. You can just chuck them back in your freezer and reuse them again, which we do with quite a lot of them. But you can also defrost and then tip it down the sink with a little bit of salt, and then you can recycle the packaging, so you don't have to worry about loads of extra plastic and stuff. That is recyclable. So I just wanted to let you know on that. So everything is laid out here, and I will just talk you through quickly what I've got. So my breakfast, I went for another salted caramel porridge pot because this was really yummy. I liked that one a lot. I went for, this is another one I hadn't had before, which is a Perkia golden syrup pot, porridge one. I got some cacao and orange bites for breakfast, these like little oat balls. Then I got some hazelnut and cacao ones, different brand. This is the Protein Ball Company, and that is Perkia. And then I got a Trek bar, so that's my breakfast for the week. Then my lunches, well, to be fair, lunches and dinners, I kind of just got whatever, and then I'll just have them whenever I fancy them. So I got a chicken noodle pot because I hadn't had one of these before. So you've got noodles and what looks like beans and squash and chicken and peppers. Yeah, and it just is a spicy sauce, so I will let you know if that is spicy or not. So far, the things that I've had that are meant to be spicy have not been spicy, but they've still been nice. And then everything else here, other than the pizzas, I don't think I've had before. I wanted to get new stuff that you guys and that I haven't tried before. So I will grab things and talk you through it. So we've got peri peri chicken with roasted veg. So you get like a meal kit like this with all your veg and everything you need in it. The only things you generally have to add is maybe a little bit of oil and salt and pepper. So I got that, and then you get your chicken. I got a Najua, I'm sorry about the pronunciation, pork pasta one, which has got the pasta, the sauce, and then a parsley crumb, and that's all you need in there. These will just stay in the fridge. I got a teriyaki salmon and noodle stir fry. So we've got the sauce, the veggies, the noodles, and then the salmon. I got a sticky chili sausage and veg bake. So in here you've got like a potato, a courgette, an onion, a carrot, some stock cubes, some chili, and then you get your little sausages. I've got a beef masam. So this is a curry kit. So in here I've got like a packet of rice, the sauce, an onion, a pepper, and then I've got my beef stir fry strips. And I got a chili beef and noodle stir fry kit. Again with a little packet. So I've got spring onions, noodles, mushroom peppers, the spice mix, everything you need for that one. I got a chicken balti curry kit, which has got what looks like a can of tomatoes, rice, an onion, peppers, the sauce, and then chicken. And then I got a cheeseburger pizza. Are these all gluten-free? Yeah, gluten-free, 398 calories. They're so good, and they don't taste gluten-free, which I've had because my brother's a celiac. I've tried quite a few different gluten-free pizzas, and some of them are horrible. Some of them are good, but some of them are horrible. These are good ones. And a buffalo chicken pizza. I probably won't show you guys these in a week just because I have filmed them before. If this is your first time here, I'll just quickly show you one. So this is the buffalo chicken pizza. Here comes Ben. He's always jealous of the pizzas. And then the snacks. This week I got 5 savoury and 5 sweet, so I can have 1 sweet and 1 savoury every day. So I got the Italian meatball snacks, which I hadn't had before. So these are just like ready to eat cooked chicken meatballs. So they're just going to go in the fridge. I got the crunchy quinoa oven baked pretzel snacks. These are so good. I've had these every week. They are like my new favourite snack for the evenings. They're so good. I got some more pork puffs, the sweet chilli ones. I got the salt and vinegar pork puffs, and then the mountain chips because they're one of my faves. And then the sweet stuff, I got a couple of new things this week. I got a double chocolate oat muffin, and so it's like a mug cake. So that's one. I got a Battle Bite 2 protein pieces chocolate caramel with fudge crumb topping, a bar. I got my carb killers because I'm obsessed with them. They're so good. Caramel Chaos, and I got the new one, Fudge Brownie. And then I got this one just because the name was funny. It's a beaver bar, which just made me laugh. So I will let you guys know what that's like. Yeah, that is my week. Today is Thursday, so I'm going to start tomorrow on Friday, and then hopefully we will have a lot of weight loss next week. But yeah, I'll leave all the links down below for you guys, and I'm going to get all this in my fridge and my freezer. So I'll see you later. Bye! just done this oat muffin. It's really good. It's so hot. I really like that. We'll definitely be getting this again. Morning guys, I thought I would do a quick update. It's weigh day and I lost 2 pounds this week, so I'm really happy with that. So that is 3.5 pounds in 3 weeks. I'm about to start my last week. It is today, is Saturday? I think today's Saturday. The days just blur. I've done my order, which I think is coming Monday or Tuesday, so yeah, we will pick up again next week. I'll leave all the links down below for you guys. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.